Continue. Part number 6. Practical application. Here we go. Of lighting for the purpose other than food preparation. So food preparation, we got it. Other than food preparation. We stated above that it is permitted to kindle a fire on Yom Tov purposes other than from prepared food. We said this concept mitoch. So since this was forbidden, permitted, so all other things that for which you would do the same halacha would be also permitted. The following are some practical application of this rule. A. Warmth. It is permitted to kindle fire in order to heat one's home. Okay, so today maybe most of the people would have what was it, like thermostat. So thermostat, there's no problem with it because it was said before Shabbos and it was working to turn on, if it's electric, that would be an issue. Okay. So in this case, I guess it would be better to ask a non-Jew to do it. But if you have the fireplace or something, yes, so you would be allowed to make a fire. B. Illumination. One may light a fire. Again, so fire is a fire, real fire, to illuminate dark room. However, it is forbidden to turn on electric light, as we said above. So same with the heating system. Okay, so fire, like clear fire, there is no problem, but electric light is different. Next one, C. Shul bris milah. Here we go. It is permitted to light candle in shul, which are customary to lit in front of Chazan. In front of Chazan. Okay. This is because it is considered a display kavod hamakom, right? Display of honor and respect for the shul, and thus a proper need of the day. Likewise, it is permitted to light the candles, candles for a meal, celebrating mitzvah. For example, bris milah, because this is expression of honor for the mitzvah. So let's do it again, and we're going to explain. I completely forgot about this this practice because in the past few shows that I went to, I think they do not light the candle. Did not light. In some shows before that, I went to show, and I just remember they had a huge oil lamp, like huge sheets would. It can run maybe, I don't know, a few weeks with this amount of oil. Okay, they would light. Okay, very interesting. So one more time, it is permitted to light candles in shul, which is customary to lit in front of Chazan. So today they use like electric light, but I mean, in all the shuls that I said that they don't have candle, but they would have electric light for sure. So I mean, electric light for a Chazan to see better, right? It's one of the concerns, right? This is because it is considered kavod hamakam, display of honor in respect of the shul. So it's not, but these candles, this extra candle, it's not for a practical convenience for of the chazan, but it's actually for like this one candle does not add much, but it's for kavod of the shul. Very interesting. Respect of the place. Right, and that's a proper need of the day. So in this case, it would be allowed, but okay, but you would not be able to extinguish. Okay. Likewise, it is permitted to light candles for the meal celebration of a mitzvah. For example, bris milah. Okay. So yeah, on Yom Tov you can, on Shabbos even you can do bris milah. There is no problem because it's expression of honor of the mitzvah. Okay. Yortzat candle. There are different opinions among the poskim as to whether lighting yortzat candle in memory of the deceased person is considered Yom Tov need. So that's the thing, and we're going to explain. Okay, maybe he's going to explain. So usually, like when I have a 2 day Yom Tov on a second day, on the last day, of Yom Tov, you have what is it? You have an it score, right? The like memory of all of the past, right? So we always have this 2 days candle. So like not to be in this crashable situation, so just light the 2 days candles and you're good, right? But now we're going to discuss if somebody can light 1 day candle, like can light candle period, like it's going to be in the second day of Yom Tov. So when after the first day, right at night, when the first day second day starts, so they won't light the candles. So that's the situation. Your side candle. There is the difference of the opinion among the poskim as to whether lighting your side candle in memory of deceased person is considered Yom Tov need, or if it was your side. For example, my father passed on Yom Tov. Very interesting, right? Okay, but we still light 2 days candle, even though like he passed on the first day of Yom Tov, but just in case we light 2 days candle, just in case. Okay. Therefore, someone who has a Yortzeit Yom Tov should make sure to light a Yortzeit candle before the onset of Yom Tov. Okay, but if it's on the first day, right? But we usually on Yom Tov we light these 2 day candles, so you can burn all of these hours. But if you have only one, so okay, let's see. In the event that one forgot to do so before Yom Tov, he should light the candle in shul in front where the chazan stands. It's very interesting, right? So it would be according to all other opinions, where it's used for consideration of the mitzvah in any case, right? So if a person has this situation when his, I guess, parent, right, Yortzeit is on a holiday, right, and there is no choice. So a person would be allowed to light this candle in a shul. So it's like it's the same candle. It's the same candle, but it's very interesting. So since it is for a mitzvah, for respect of the shul, so it would be like a way out. If this is not possible, the Yortzeit candle may be lit at home, so there is always linear opinion. But one should try to drive some general drive. I think it should be said derive some general benefit from the lights. For example, reading by it. So, but because as we said before, if you need it for reading, yes, absolutely. That's what be like for the needs of the Yom Tov. Right, and the Yortzeit candle is not 100% for the needs of the Yom Tov, but one of the conditions, as we said before, that we would allow something like because of the person like emotional distress. So if it was his father's Yortzeit or his mother Yortzeit or her mother Yortzeit and she forgot to light, a person can go crazy and ruin the whole holiday. So in some sense, it is a holiday need. Okay, so I think we can stop here. Right. So we finish this chapter. You see, it's very short chapters. I mean, some of them short, some of them is just very, very long. And next topic is going to be extinguishing fire. Should be short. Yeah, it is short. Okay, 2 pages. Any questions on what we said?
Rabbi?
Yes.
There's a couple questions on the board. First one says, Shalom Rav, are we allowed to play fireworks / firecrackers on Yom Tov?
No, that's lighting for not Yom Tov needs, basically. So Yom Tov needs, as we listed today. So it's for cooking, for heat, for light, even you see the this Yortzat candle, it was very questionable if it's allowed. So some poskim say not allowed. So they offer you like a solution, like go to shul and light there. So the other things, no, not allowed. Okay, what else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.